How to set up your profile on Cici. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So now we're in this profile settings. Basically, this is the place where you can edit your profile. Here on the top, tap on edit profile. So here there are two different sections, nickname and user ID. So it's up to you whether you want to keep the nickname or you can change it. Here you can even edit your profile picture on the top, and also make sure that this nickname will be displayed to other friends and people you get added with. At last, tap on save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.